Can you record your labor and delivery in the hospital? You know, we live in a world today where our cameras and phones are out all the time, and we're taking videos of everything, everywhere, all the time. So you may think that when you go into the hospital that you can just video and whatever you want. So before you hit that video button and you begin to record, let me just tell you a few things, because if you don't pay attention to the laws, you could get yourself in a lot of trouble. Maryland has what we call a double consent law, which means you can't record any conversation without the other person's consent. So in a hospital, you haven't gotten the consent of the doctors or the nurses or the other hospital staff. So just to hit that record button without their consent could get you in trouble under Maryland law. The second thing is many hospitals have policies that prohibit you from taking video. Why is that? It's not all bad reasons. People think, well, they don't want me to video because they don't want any evidence in case there's a lawsuit. Well, that may be true, but also remember there are other people that are coming into the room. Like I said, there's doctors and there's hospital staff, and they haven't consented to being on video. And so you have to be very careful and make sure that you understand what the hospital policy is. Third reason is that there are other patients in the hospital, and there are laws that prevent people's confidentiality and privacy from being invaded. It's called HIPAA. So if you hit the record button, you may capture another patient's voice or their image. And again, they haven't consented to being on a video, and their rights have to be taken into account because they have a right not to be recorded if they don't want to. Now, what can you do in this situation? Well, you can certainly ask the doctors and you can ask the nursing staff if it's okay to make a video. You may be surprised. They may tell you that it's okay. So just because there are these policies doesn't mean that they're heartless and they won't let you take a video. But I wanted to tell you about this information today because I didn't want you to just hit the record button and think you can just do whatever you want, whenever you want.